Wait for it.
I pity the fool who tries to take my rabbit.
I tried to scream.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Flash is in the lead.
Hey, Sharon, listen to me. Have you ever bathed in catnip? Sharon, have you ever done it? Get out of here. I'm tripping my tits off.
Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Thanks.
Mwah. Mwah.
Me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
Смотрите, кот на чили.
Don't be fucking rude.
Are you kidding me?
I swear to God,
Stop.
don't be fucking
What
rude
are you
and throw the thing on
doing?
me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
Stop. Oh my God.
If you're happy and you know it, blink. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, well, I just want to let you know that I heard that you've been talking some smack, and I just want you to know that I've been taking Taekwondo lessons in the back of the Walmart Supercenter, so if you don't want to get hurt, then you better stop. Kawaii. Did I? You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo.
Ay, ¿qué fue eso? ¿Qué fue ese sonido? ¿Sucedió otra vez? Páralo ahí.
Hi, everyone. Everything you're doing is making me want to slap the living shit out of you right now. But I'm more mature, more than I've been normally, so I'll shake your hand. And then I'll bite you down!
I don't want to go to work because it makes me really sad. And I gotta deal with people and I don't want to do that. I am broke even though I work 40 hours a week. It's okay. I'm fine.
Maggie, have I told you how pretty you are? Have I told you what a beautiful girl you are, Maggie? Have I told you anything like that?
Yep.
Gosh.
Stray cat has come into our house and he wants my Panda Express. Buddy, what are you doing?
Aw, they look so peaceful sleeping together. Watch how I ruin the moment real quick. Who wants Starbucks?
Leave us alone.
Why do you always do that thing?
Do what?
That thing you do when you're fighting. And this.
Я могу показать тебе взгляд орла.
На кого он так смотрит?
На мясо он смотрит.
На мясо так он смотрит, да?
How to activate Alma.
Hello.
A very important update. She thinks it's a part of her now.
Was that a sneeze?
Really, guys?
Keep your hands off my laptop. Keep them off.
I want you to stop being mean to me and be nice. You act like you don't want me to be your barber no more.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Bacon is 68% fat and very salty. Me too, bacon. Me too.